Unlock a safer way to shop online with your Revolut virtual card on Android. Let's dive straight into how you can generate and utilize these digital powerhouses for secure transactions and better spending control. First things first, make sure you have the Revolut app installed and are logged into your account. Navigate to the card section in your Revolut app. You'll see your physical card here. But we're interested in something a little more Euro virtual. Tap on the option to add card or look for a plus icon, usually at the top or bottom of the screen. You'll then see an option to create a virtual card. This is your gateway to a new level of online security. Revolut offers two fantastic options: single-use virtual cards and multi-use virtual cards for maximum security on on-and-off purchases. Choose single-use if you have a recurring subscription or a favorite online store. A multi-use card is perfect. Let's create a single-use card. First, tap on single-use virtual card. You'll see a virtual card number, expiry date, and CVV magically appear. These details are temporary and change with every transaction, shielding your primary card information. Now, for a multi-use card, tap multi-use virtual card. This virtual card will have its details remain the same until you choose to delete or refresh it. This is ideal for your regular online shopping or subscriptions. Once generated, you can either copy the card details directly to paste into online payment forms or add it to your mobile wallet like Google Pay for even faster transactions. Using your virtual card is just like using any other card online. Simply enter the card number, expiry date, and CVV at the checkout. This dramatically enhances your fraud protection by not exposing your primary card details. Plus, you can easily set spending limits or freeze your virtual card directly within the app, giving you ultimate control over your spending. Stay protected, stay in control. That's how you master Revolut virtual cards on your Android device.